The backlash and outcry continues over calls to revise Israel's anti-discrimination law. Politicians were quick to have their say, and now banks, businesses, and multinational corporations are also speaking out. The statements from the Israeli business community coming after Orit Strok, a legislator from the religious Zionism party, said that doctors should be allowed to refuse treatment that goes against their religious beliefs as long as there is another doctor willing to provide the same treatment. Her remarks were immediately seen as being directed against the LGBTQ+ community. Knesset member Simcha Rothman echoing her sentiment, saying that hotels should be entitled to refuse services to LGBTQ members on their religious grounds. As it stands now, the law forbids discrimination by those providing public services or products on the basis of race, religion, gender, or sexual orientation. But reports suggest that a clause in the coalition agreements incoming Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu signed states that this law will be overturned, allowing businesses to refuse to provide a service if it violates their religious faith. Reacting to the reports, Israel Discount Bank updating its credit policy, saying, quote, "We found it appropriate to amend the bank's credit policy so that what is already obvious will now become official. Discount Bank will not grant credit to businesses or entities that discriminate against customers." Cybersecurity firm Wiz saying that it would only work with companies committed to preventing this very type of discrimination, and said that it would even terminate its business relationships if it were violated.
Basically, the startup nation cannot thrive without a strong democracy. All the last statements that we're hearing from members of the parliament that are homophobic, racist, are unacceptable in our values and in the industry that we're having in Israel today.
And tech giant Microsoft warning that discourse that encourages racism and discrimination of any kind has no place in a civilized society. Saying, quote, "Microsoft is a diverse home where racism does not enter. The reason for the company's success is diversity. Everyone is equal." Incoming Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu says, quote, he completely rejects the lawmakers' remarks and that under his government, no person will be denied services or medical treatment. But whether or not the law is amended, the damage to the incoming right-wing and religious bloc's image has already been done.